Train passengers from Delta State were stranded for hours on Wednesday after the train traveling through Kogi State broke down in the forest. Kola Edopai, who was among the stranded passengers, took to Facebook on Wednesday to explain the ordeal. According to him, he had opted to travel by train from Agbo, Delta State to Itakwe, Kogi State, after being unable to secure a flight to Abuja. However, the journey took a dramatic turn when the train developed technical issues in a location he described as an evil forest, devoid of mobile network coverage and surrounded by cattle herders. As panic grew among passengers, Edopai said many opted to begin an endurance trek through the forest in a desperate bid to reach a nearby town or train station. The trek reportedly lasted for over 3 hours, with elderly passengers struggling and some near collapse. In a follow-up post on Thursday after arriving in Abuja, Edopai described the experience as terrible and horrific. He likened the journey to a biblical test of faith, quoting Psalm 23 verse 4 to describe how he found comfort while trekking through what he called the valley of the shadow of death.
Train us spoil again for inside bush. I'm trekking with a trek for inside bush. People the trek, train spoil again. That is the kind of country we are. Train again spoil.
With the last of their strength, Edopai said passengers rushed to board the vehicles and were taken to safety. While this incident has gained tractions online, drop your opinion in the comment box section below as we continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.